As you can see on the screen right here, we've been having newbies from around the world using this proven game plan and be able to generate income within, often cases, their very first week. And what I'm going to share with you inside this video is the exact simple strategy you can use starting from zero with no social media following, no experience, and no technical ability, so you can actually go out there and in your first 7 days of watching this video, start to generate your very first sale within digital marketing. Now, my name's Garrett Berry, and I've been doing online marketing for many years now, and I've seen where most people go wrong. I've seen the mistakes they made, and I've also seen some very fast strategies. And what I'm gonna peel back the curtain and expose to you as you follow me until the end of this video is the fastest way you can actually get up and running to start to make money, like I said, within your very first week. Now, the very first thing you need to understand when it comes to digital marketing is we need to sell a product. What I'm gonna recommend, if you wanna make money as fast and easy as possible, you don't try to create your own product yourself. I actually did this 2 different times in my journey, and I wasted months and months of trial and error. I tried creating my own video modules and doing all this work and coding different websites, and I finally launched it and no one bought the product because no one was interested. If you want the fastest way to make your first sale and actually make a consistent income with digital marketing, you just want to find products that are already valuable and selling well, and then you simply need to find other people that want to buy those products, and when they buy through your specific order form, you're going to be able to collect income. Now, I will actually include a link directly below where you can actually access products that are done for you. And the cool thing about those specific products is when you actually make a sale, you get to keep 100% profit because it gives you rights to resell them as your own. Now, once you have a product in place that you're going to start to promote, the next thing we want to do is we want to actually automate following up with those people. If you're someone that maybe has a job right now or a family and you don't have a lot of extra time, but you want to make sales online, then we need to use automation. The key is the fortune is going to be in the follow-up when it comes to making sales. What this means is if you go to promote a product online and you're promoting a page where someone can go and order it, most people are not going to go to that page and decide to buy right away. People need multiple exposures. It's been stated in the industry that it could take 7 to 12 exposures for someone to see a product and decide to buy. If you think about yourself, when you've seen a product you wanted to buy online, chances are in many cases you probably didn't decide to buy instantly. You thought about it, you did some research, maybe you talked to a spouse or a boyfriend or girlfriend, and then you finally went and bought that product. You had to see it or think about it multiple times. So instead, what I recommend you do is you leverage a series of websites called a sales funnel. This allows us to literally capture our prospect's email address and then send them to a page where they can actually buy. Now, some people may buy right away, but the people that don't, we're going to be able to add those people automatically to our email list, which is just a list of email addresses from our prospects, and we're going to have automatic email messages following up with those people, about 1 per day, sending them back to the sales page and the page where they can actually buy. This is going to dramatically increase your conversions and give you the best chance that you can make money within your very first week. Now, I recommend you have at least 7 follow-up emails in place because this is going to allow you to expose those people to that product multiple times. And you also want to include inside the emails different testimonials, information, and even frequently asked questions when it comes to potential customers, so you can actually work to overcome those people's objections and then actually get them motivated to decide to buy even while you're sleeping, as those automations keep working for you. If you are watching this and maybe you're not technical and you don't know how to create your own website, again, the resource at the link directly below will allow you to access a totally done for you, incredibly high converting sales funnel that converts about 1 out of 20 people, which is absolutely incredible. Now, once you have your products that you're going to sell and now you have a sales funnel that will actually follow up and convert people for you, the next step is simply to start promoting online and getting interested people going through your sales funnel. Now, I'm going to reveal to you one of the easiest and fastest ways you can actually get people going through your funnel so you can make your first sale in your very first week. And what that is we're going to leverage social media. The reason we want to use social media is because it's totally free and we get access to billions of people on these platforms with just a simple post. So what I recommend you do is if you already have some followers on, let's say, Instagram, or you already have some friends on Facebook, then what I recommend you do is you start where you already have an audience. This is called your warm market. These are people that already know, like, and trust you, which is going to give you your best chance to actually make your first sale. Now, what I recommend you do on that platform is we want to share results, okay? And specifically results that people that have already bought the product we're promoting have gotten. So if you're actually promoting a product, you want to look at testimonials. You can find this if there's like a Facebook group for members of the program or product you're you're selling. You can also look on the sales page or website and see if there's any testimonials there. Now, what you want to do is you want to screenshot. So if you're on a phone, you can actually screenshot the testimonial, or if you're on your laptop or computer, you can actually use a snipping tool to snip that result. And then now what we want to do is we want to go to that social media site where we already have some friends or followers, and you don't need a lot, by the way, just even a few that are potentially interested. And then what we can do is share that result, and we can actually talk about that result. So for example, let's say you decide to promote a product that teaches people how to make money online, and let's say the testimonial is a woman named Mary made $900 while walking her dog in the neighborhood. Then you could post that photo of her saying that, and then you could say something, let's say if it's on Facebook, in the text, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Mary, one of our members. She was able to make $900 while walking her dog. Now, the last thing inside of your post on social media that's very crucial is including a CTA or call to action. This is where you basically are going to tell people to comment yes if they want more information. And what's going to happen is your friends on Facebook or your followers on Instagram or TikTok are going to see that post, and interested people are going to see it and then comment yes. And then all you have to do is message the people that commented the link to your sales funnel, and then the interested people put their email in and then start to get followed up with. This simple strategy is exactly what the people in the beginning of the video are doing. This is what I've been doing to literally generate up to $1,800 a day in about an hour from a Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you're watching this again and you want to access done-for-you products, a very high converting sales funnel, and even access a community that has thousands of people every single day sharing testimonials that you can leverage on social media, be sure you go to the link, put your best email into my website, and I'll share with you much more information. I hope this made sense. If you got value, be sure to like this video. Also subscribe with the bell icon. I have a lot more training where I'm going to go even deeper into this specific strategy so you can make even more money. And if you have any comments about this strategy or how you're going to use it, be sure you comment below. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.